So I took 2 years off of high school and I did boat repair for 1 year, and then I taught special ed at my local elementary school and just really fell in love with the community and the kids there. And I saw what composite prosthetics can do to help them and better their lives. And it's really just driven my passion for composites in general and all the things that you can make with them.
IYRS has changed my life by giving me opportunity. You know, going through life, you just gotta create. I chose to come to IYRS to open more doors and be able to, you know, further myself in life. And after coming here, this is exactly what I've done.
IYRS changed my life because I thought I was stuck after going through what I went through in college. It was tough doing those 3 years and then coming back home and being like, I don't know where I'm gonna go. And with IYRS, it's pushing me out into the work industry.
It's extremely important to understand how to actually do things and to get the hands-on experience, and that was not being offered anywhere else except here at IYRS.
If you want to do something in the marine industry, you might as well be on the edge of one of the most beautiful harbors in the country.
It's an ideal place to learn. You have great tools around you. You have amazing instructors that will help you out along the way.
If IYRS wasn't here, you'd probably be missing out on a lot of skilled tradesmen that are coming in, especially younger people. I've been in like other shops and they don't really have the patience to like sit down and teach you. So it's kind of nice to be able to like come here and people be like, hey, I actually want to show you all this stuff.
The most important thing I would like students to come away with is just a commitment to lifelong learning.
I do not think that I would have gotten this experience anywhere else except IYRS.
I couldn't be more grateful for what IYRS has given me.
Everyone in this industry is looking for more hands, and we got them.